this is a single weld plate clamp, our most commonly sold clamp. The single weld plate clamp is designed just for that, to weld directly to a structure. They're usually comprised of a cover plate, 2 plastic inserts, what's typically called the weld plate, and 2 bolts. Now, if you have a special application and you need a clamp made, we can certainly help with that. If you're having issues with the current clamps that you're using, please give us a phone call or email us, and we'd be happy to help you find a solution. Thanks so much for tuning into our channel. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please click the little red button below to subscribe. If you'd like to leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know what videos you want us to make in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching, and check us out at OneHydraulics.com.